What's going on, YouTube? This your boy Mr.AlwaysFishing, man. Today we finna do a little garden fence in thing. We're gonna try to get as much as we can done before we get rained on, because it's coming. So let's just get to the stove, load all this stuff up, and see if we can get this thing done the day before the rain. All right, y'all, let's ride. All right, y'all, I'm picking up some pressure treated 2x4x8s. And when you come to Lowe's and places like this, all the wood is so trash, and y'all look through to find the best pieces and stuff. But let's see if we can find about 20, maybe 15, 20 pieces that's decent. But we're gonna try to work with that. Give me a minute to find it. We're gonna get it all loaded up. Let's do it. All right, y'all, got all the wood, 24 2x4s, 12 4x4s. We can load it all up in here. Let's get it. And I gotta go to the garden center to get the fencing, but for the most part, just the heavy stuff right here. So let's get it all loaded up. Let's get back to the crib, let's do it. All right, y'all, we in now. She all good to go. Let's do the final test. And she closed. Let's ride, man. Let's go. All right, let's get the fencing. Thinking we're gonna go 100 foot for 109. It's 100 foot. This is like the perfect I guess diameter, perfect opening size for what I'm using it for. So I think we're gonna go with this one right here, 100 foot. Hey y'all, as I'm driving home, I'm just thinking, I'm like, what did I forget? I forgot concrete. I forgot the quickcrete stuff, bro. But I can still do the fence though. I think I can still do a fence. I got an idea. So I was planning on going like 1.5 foot down maybe. But now I'm gonna go a little deeper. I'm gonna probably go like a legit 2 feet down with the post. And since I got 4 foot high wiring, I mean, that should work out in my mind. I'm thinking that can work out. We're gonna see, we're gonna get there, play with it a little bit and see what's going on. If I might have to run back to the store to get that stuff, the concrete, but hopefully I can do without it. But it's just gonna be this is just gonna be annoying having to go back to the store for concrete. So I am gonna try my best to do it without any concrete, because I heard that you don't really need concrete if you go deep enough with the post. So let's see what we can do. I got all this stuff in my truck. It is claustrophobic in here, boy. I gotta roll the windows down. So let's get home and see what we can do it without concrete. If not, I go back to the stove, man. All right, we are pulling the work cart to the back. Ain't we, Kendall? You helping me? Turn it, turn it, turn it. There you go. All right, stop. Let me get the water hose out the way. Whew. Fence time, baby. Fence time.
I got it.
You got it. Thank you. Push it. You got it. Let's go.
Stop.
All right, we got it all unloaded. Now it is time to lay this thing out, measure up good, and make sure our posts are gonna be straight, even. Guys, I think I'm gonna be pulling up this garden right here, this okra stuff. I'm gonna be pulling it up, and that one might have to get moved too. But I'm gonna see if I can not do that and work around it. I might just scoop this trellis farther back that way towards the fencing. I'm gonna see if I can get that, do that instead. Let's see. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm just laying these 2x4s out to get a like rough estimate of how many posts and where the posts gonna go. So got them laid out over here. I kind of got a little weird thing going on because I'm gonna go longer this way, shorter that way. So that's only gonna have one post going out to the side. This one's gonna have 2 posts going out to the side. Then I'm gonna bring it back, come here. And right in this area right here is where I run into a dilemma. I'm thinking about putting a little exit, since it's kind of like in the middle of this, put a little opening here just to be able to walk out straight through the back type of thing, you know what I mean? That's probably what I'm gonna end up doing, so.
Daddy!
Let's do it. All right, so just using the post hole digger to dig holes, and I'm coming up, and I'm looking to be at 24 right there. So probably need to put a little bit more dirt in here, a little dirt back in there. And then I'm pretty sure it's gonna be 24. And I'm just gonna grab a post, mark 24 inches on the post, put it in there, and see where it comes up to, and get it at 24. All right, so here's a post. Coming up, mark this way. Mark 24 on it. Do a 24 line. Once you got the 24 line, gonna bring it back to where your hole is. Put it in there. So my 24 line is right here. So I need to get another little couple inches down. So I probably had it perfect first time. Shouldn't have added no more dirt to it.
Daddy, drink this.
Ooh, what was that? What kind of juice was that?
Medicine juice.
Medicine juice?
Yep.
What?
Was it good?
Yeah, it was good. There we go. That 24 right there. Kapow! That's it right there. So I am gonna repeat this process all the way around, and I will not bore y'all with that nonsense. So let's get back when I got the holes and posts stuck in the ground, and I'll show y'all the next step after that. All right, so now that I got these posts all set in place in the right spots.
Look, Daddy.
What, baby?
You built a walkway.
Yep, I built a little hole right here for us to exit out the back. Yep, but now that I got this thing right here, all the posts set down, now I'm gonna just put these 2x4s in between and have them like that, and I'm gonna attach them with some wood screws just like that all the way around. So let's do it. It's gonna be a lot of the same things going on, so I'm not gonna bore y'all with the whole video. Trying to make this short as possible. All right, y'all, it is about to rain. I don't know if y'all can see them clouds, but it has gotten significantly darker outside because it's about to rain, or it blew over, one of the two. But I'm about to start trying to nip things up for the day. I got all these things down here set in place. All these are screwed in, good with those. Now it's time to hopefully finish the whole project, but I doubt it because it's been rain. So stick around. Let's see if we can get it done today before the rain. Okay, so next I'm gonna come through and show y'all one, for example. So I got the bottoms already screwed in. The tops are gonna be, these posts are not cemented or anything yet, so I want to be able to move them if I can a little bit, or moving closer, moving farther. So they're not cemented yet. This piece is gonna go in between here, and same with this one. So I'm gonna push them farther apart, fit that in there. I might need someone to help me hold it so I can get them screwed in there. And then after that, I'm gonna come through with some like 2x2s and come all the way down with them and across them, all that. And that's what I'm gonna secure my fence to. If it's confusing now, it's because I'm bad at explaining it. But so instead of buying 2x2s, I got 2x4s. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run this circular saw, attempt to just to save money, because each 2x2x8 was like $7 or $8 pressure treated, and that's ridiculous. So I'm about to cut this all the way through the middle and make my own 2x2 to save money, because this 2x4, believe it or not, is cheaper than that 2x2 that was pressure treated. I don't know why, but it's weird. So for real, I'm about to cut this all the way down, make two 2x2x8s out of this 2x4x8. It's weird. It sounds crazy, but I'm gonna show y'all. Oh, right. This is one panel. Not sure if y'all can see the fence for real, but it's gonna be one panel. This is how it's gonna look right here. So got a million more to go. Not gonna finish today. It's getting dark, so I'm gonna call it a day, y'all.